Hello, and welcome to another episode from Fequiere Fitness TV. In this video, I will be doing easy ab workouts for beginners at home. And please remember, for any questions, click on the description box below. And don't forget to grab my free 5-minute workout. Let's get started. First workout, crunches. Lie down on your back, planting your feet on the floor hip width apart. Bend your knees and place your arms on side of your head. Exhale and lift your upper body, keeping your head and neck relaxed. Inhale and return to starting position. 4 sets of 50 reps. Second workout, right side oblique crunches. Lie on the right side, stacking legs together. Put your left hand on the side of your head. Pulling from your obliques, bring your elbow up towards your feet. Do not pull yourself with your hands. Pause and feel contraction, then slowly return to starting position. 4 sets of 50 reps. Third workout, for easy ab workouts for beginners at home. Left side oblique crunches. Repeat the same steps from the right side to the left. Complete 4 sets of 50 reps. Fourth workout, Russian twist. Start seated with knees bent and feet flat on the floor, bringing both hands in front of chest. Keeping spine long and abdominals tight, lean back slightly. Slowly twist the torso to the left side, touching the ground beside the left hip. Return to center and repeat the same steps on the right side, completing 1 rotation. Complete 4 sets of 50 reps. Alright, we just finished the easy ab workout for beginners at home. Remember, these workouts are just made for the gym only, but can be completed anywhere. You can do this. Yeah, you can do it. Remember, for any questions, comment down below. Also grab my free 5-minute workout in the description box below. And for more extensive ab workouts, check out my book at fequierefitness.com. Yeah, .com. Now go ahead and dance with me while you subscribe. Yeah, you subscribe. Yeah, you subscribe. Yeah, you subscribe.